Okay, so the first thing we need to learn how to do is to link our CSS and HTML documents. Okay, so you are familiar with HTML. We use HTML to specify the content of our page. And in this course, we'll be writing CSS. In other words, we'll be stating how the content should look, right? For example, what color the heading should have, what color the footer should have, and such things. All of that is specified using CSS. So we call this the styling. So the first thing we need to do is to link these two files so that they can talk with each other. Okay. All right. So to link the two files, we use the link tag, and the link tag has two attributes, one rel and one href. So the rel simply means the relationship that the file has in relation to HTML. And in this case, we're saying that this file is a style sheet. In other words, it contains the styling for the HTML. Okay, and so generally we will always write style sheet in here. And next we have href, which simply means the location of the style sheet. Okay, and so you would specify that styles.css. Of course, we use this if the CSS and the HTML is in the same level in the file system. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Let me switch over to Visual Studio Code, and I'm gonna create a new folder. Let's maybe call it CSS code. Okay, so we'll create a new folder, and we're going to call it linker. Okay, so we'll open that, right? And so of course we need a HTML file. We will call that index.html. Okay, and we'll simply use emit by pressing shift that. Okay, that's the bang. Once we have that, we just press enter and we get an outline for our web page. Okay, so this is our HTML. So of course we would need some CSS. So let's call this styles.css. Okay, so what I would do is to come down here, and I will simply use the link tag, right? And then I will simply specify the relationship, right? Style sheet. Yeah. And of course I need to specify the location, which is href. Okay, and in our case it's just the name of the file, styles.css. all right, and of course I need to close this tag. All right, and that would be how you link the CSS file to the HTML file. Okay, I'll leave it here. In the next lesson, in the next video, we will look at how we can actually use this style sheet. Right, so we'll be creating our very first style. I'll see you then.